how to fix Discord no root RTC connecting problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and then click on the gear icon at the bottom left. In here on the left side, scroll down and click on voice and video, and make sure input device is your microphone that you're using and it's full volume. You can also mic test if it's not working. You can scroll through here and see everything. After you've done that, go back from here. After you've go back from here, on the left side, click on your server that you're having issues in. And in the voice channel, if you click on it, you'll find the gear icon. Click on the gear icon in your voice channel. It will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down in overview and click on region override and select another region. After you've selected another region, press on save at the bottom. After you've done that, you can simply open a new tab on your Chrome and search Discord status and see if there is any issue in Discord status. And if there is issue in Discord status, you can simply wait for some hours, and after it's fixed, you can try connecting it. And this is how to fix Discord no root RTC connecting problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.